Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll ask about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page, you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget